Hello and welcome back to my video classes. In this class we're going to be looking at 10 British phrases to say a guy is handsome. Now handsome is a simple word and I hope after this lesson you will be able to use these better phrases, these better expressions instead of using handsome. So all of these should replace the word handsome and you can use this in your everyday speaking. So let's get started. You're a beautiful specimen. You're a beautiful specimen. This is quite a formal term to mean beautiful, but it means a particular type of person. So number 2, you're delicious. You're delicious. Now delicious does refer to food, but if I say delicious, it means someone is very good looking. So can you imagine someone who's really handsome? And if he's handsome, you can say, wow, if you were food, I would eat you. Meaning he's so handsome. Again, delicious. Number 3, I think you're fit. I think you're fit. Now fit refers to the body, the face, muscles, how handsome a man is. Not really about sport or how healthy someone is, talking about fit. Someone who is in good shape, muscly, quite attractive. Number 4, I think you're hot. I think you're hot. This is just what normally a girl would say to a boy if she likes him. He's quite attractive, quite sexy, quite nice face, nice hair, nice body. So I think you're hot is just another way of saying I think you're attractive. So number 5, that guy is ravishing. That guy is ravishing. Now ravishing is an adjective and it's used for someone particularly beautiful. Ravishing. So I think you're rather hunky. I think you're rather hunky. Now hunky again is an adjective and it describes a man who is muscly, strong, tall and quite attractive looking. Number 7, I think you're good looking. I think you're good looking. Now good looking just refers to the face, not really the body. It's used to talk about a man who's got a nice particular face. Good looking. Okay, number 8, you look quite dapper. You look quite dapper. Now dapper is an adjective and it's to describe someone who's fashionable and who also dresses in a very tidy way. Okay, number 9, that guy is very studly. That guy is very studly. Now studly is an adjective and it describes a man who is sexually attractive but in a very strong and masculine way as well. Okay, good. Number 10, you're quite a hunk. You're quite a hunk. Now a hunk is a noun this time and it's referring to a man who is strong and muscly and quite tall. Okay, so time for a quick recap. Beautiful specimen, fit, ravishing, good looking, studly, delicious, hot, hunky, dapper, hunk. Okay, fantastic, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you can use some of these expressions instead of saying handsome, and I shall look forward to seeing you in the next class.